What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to share my latest silver score and the interest in this particular coin, which I'll get to at the very end of the video. But anyway, what kind of prompted this was this. This is a copy of a gold coin, the ones used in the movie Goonies. This one, clearly is not actual gold, nor is it old. And it does say copy on here somewhere. Yeah, right here on the bottom. It says copy. But I thought this was pretty cool. I did a trade with someone who was very nice on Instagram I talked to. Traded a knife for just basically a satchel of random coins. There was one or two silver coins in there, but then a bunch of just random world coins, a couple tokens, stuff like that. A lot of people just collect random coins that they find. They're interesting. But this one really stood out. I've seen this before. I love the movie Goonies, and it got me thinking. So I started doing some research on some different stuff, and I ended up on eBay buying one of these, the Maria Theresa Thatler coin. So what is that? Well, let's read about it. So here's the coin, my latest silver coin, the Maria Theresa Thatler, the oldest silver coin still produced by the country of issue. And this is pretty cool packaging. I mean, I'm guessing, total guess, maybe 70s era. I don't think it's 80s. I don't know if it's 60s, maybe 60s to 70s, somewhere around there. Can't really date it by, the text and stuff, but it's not new at all. This is quite old. Anyway, so let's read about the coin. Though it was dated 1780, the Maria Theresa Thatler was first struck in 1783. It is the oldest silver coin still produced by the country of issue. So popular was the portrait that it was imitated by other nations seeking to have their coins as widely accepted as the Austrian piece. Maria Theresa never saw the coin. She died in 1780. The world's most famous restrike of a design over 200 years old, this coin measures 40 millimeters and weighs 28.0668 grams. Actual silver weight is 0.7520 ounces. All right, so it's 3/4 of an ounce of silver. So this coin is a restrike, and what that means is that it has the original look to it, so it still has, the 1780 date mark on there, but it doesn't mean this coin's from 1780. It could be from 1820, 1850, 1890, 1910, 1930, whenever. Because of this packaging, it makes me think that it's probably from the 60s or 70s, but it could really be from any era. But it's a really, really interesting coin that I wanted to add to my collection. Not only does it have silver content, that's why, I can appreciate the coin, but going back to this, I don't know if you guys can guess, I wanted this coin because it is in a movie, a very famous movie, and I never knew it until I looked it up. When I got this copy, I started looking up coins in movies, all right? And you guys know I'm the knife guy, right? So I know tons of different knives that are in movies. You watch famous movies and you see these different knives, and it's really cool to just kind of know about the knife or maybe even own it yourself. Maybe you're a total nerd and you kind of like to play with the knife while you're watching the movie. I do that sometimes. Certain movies come on, I'll grab that knife and I'll just kind of fondle it while I'm watching the movie. Anyway. But yes, that's also a thing. A lot of coin collectors do notice these different coins in movies. This is the coin from the original Willy Wonka. This is the coin that Charlie finds in the grate to go buy the bar of chocolate that has the golden ticket. Now, what's really funny is that I've seen that movie countless times, probably over 100 times, like literally. And I always just kind of assumed that it was like a silver dollar. But obviously, the movie is not specifically set in America. This is an Austrian coin, which would obviously be in different countries as well, but it's something I never even knew about. So when, again, researching this and looking at different, coins for movies, they specifically showed a page. I forget what website it was. You can Google it and find it. But they showed a page for Willy Wonka, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. Like, what coin was that? I thought it was a silver dollar. And no, it was this. It was a Maria Theresa Thatler. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. I found it pretty interesting. The Maria Theresa Thatler. Who would have thunk it? Watched that movie so many times and never really focused much on the coin that he finds that changes the entire movie. But anyway, that's it for now. Hopefully you guys found this interesting. If you happen to be a coin collector, let me know if you have one of these in your collection. Also, let me know down below if you're not a coin collector, but now you want one because it's fascinating. That's how I felt. That's why I have one. Anyway, either way, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.